Sujie Bike, founded in 2016 year. The company adhering to the focus on quality, lead the fashion. The core concept is committed to the promotion of fine quality riding sports products. Our products currently covers mountain bike, electric bicycle, electric tricycle, kids bike, folding bike, city bike, pet stroller, kids tricycle. Exported country mainly Europe and North America, South America, and all over the world. We have professional R&D team, painting and assemble workshops, quality test person and good workers. Support customers' OEM requests with high quality and competitive cost bikes. Meanwhile, our brand, BSCI, have more and more market share in the world. We have professional sales workers and can support customers' variety of OEM ODM products. Fast delivery. Our factory pass 3C, ISO, BSCI, TUV inspection, and product have CE, TUV certificate, and other tests. As pioneers in the industry, we strive for perfection, crafting bicycles that not only meet but exceed expectations. Customers' good comments inspires us to do better and better. Based on the principle of quality is everything, our company have quality control system. All the products will be inspected strictly before shipping. Quality gain us more reputation. Good after-sales service promised customers benefit. So more and more customers sign us long-term cooperation agreements. With all the staff sincerely, welcome new and old customer, at home and abroad, visit us.